Gotta stay sharp. God, I'm getting something. You too, Rico. No, men, I'm actually pretty darn sick of popcorn.
Plus, that's a mail result for Rico.
You didn't have to. We're sensitive. Mostly.
Rico, more gas.
You know what I need, soldier.
Bohemian. Oh, you want to make this a throwdown? Would you fellows mind playing another less pungent game? No, I had them all wrong. I mean, Stacey and Becky are regular folk, just like you and me. Well, me. Anyway, in the end, there's nothing to fear.
Why? No, Why do you ask?
Time we get offensive. You got it.
Rico, disarm the private.
Okay, well, that was pretty disgusting.
Good old trout innards marinated in cod innards. Never fails. Would you two care to...
Give me that.
Oh, wow. Nothing but eating furrows. And I still can't get enough. Nice vibrato, Rico. Stand back. This must be one scary whatever it is. What the?
Perfect timing, you waddling fish belchers. That's a hurtful name.
Young man.
Belly.
Ah, tummy ache, soldier. Then I guess you've learned not to eat so much candy in one, Deploy secret weapon.